Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most beautiful, highly running ideas of beautiful woodworking ideas, stylish wooden projects, most beautiful, most trendy wooden decor ideas you can see in this my video. Every types of woodworking you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy woodworking ideas, mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Stylish wooden projects, fantastic ideas you can see. Easy to make, beautiful, attractive woodworking ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends, and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive woodworking ideas, stylish wooden furniture, wooden decor ideas, wooden projects, useful projects you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about woodworking, beautiful woodworking ideas, best designer ideas, top 50 designer ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful projects, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy, most likely, stylish woodworking ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.